Hi friends, I almost forgot to remind you that we have our digital recess today at 10:30. We are going to be doing a Would You Rather Kahoot game, so I think it's going to be really funny. Um, if you are planning on being there, it would be helpful for you to have a split screen. So on one screen, you're going to have our Google Meet because I am going to be presenting my screen. So on that screen, it would kind of be like when we were in the classroom, how you would look up to the projector on the front board. So that's one screen. And then on the other screen, you'll want to have your Kahoot game open. So if you're on like a PC, you can open up two different windows and then kind of minimize them, and that way you can adjust how big or small they are. If you're on a Mac, you can click on the green button in the top left-hand corner and it makes it so that your screen isn't completely full. But it's like part of the screen. If you click and hold the green button when you're on that setting, it'll make it so you can do a split screen. Anyways, if you don't know how to do a split screen, no problem. You can just have your Kahoot screen open and then listen to me because I will be reading the questions out loud. Okay, so no worries there. But if you do know how to do a split screen, that will be helpful. All right, for this one, friends, listen up. I am changing the password. I just had someone on YouTube make a comment on one of our last videos, and I had thought that I had posted that video as private so no one can see it, but it somehow got listed as public. So I'm going to change our password just to be safe. I don't think anything would happen, but just in case. So our password is normally the word online. I'm just going to put the word or the number 4 at the end. So it'll be online 4. No spaces, no capitals. Okay, so that'll be our new password from here on out. All right, hope to see you guys there. Bye.